In this video, we will solve theorem 6.3, which is angle, angle, angle similarity criteria. According to this, if in two triangles, corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence the two triangles are similar. So we are given that in two triangles, their corresponding angles are equal. So we have to prove that their sides are proportional and the triangles are similar. So here I am taking two triangles. Let this triangle be ABC and this triangle be DEF. You can see here I have taken two triangles of unequal sizes because we are going to prove here similarity, not congruency. Okay, that's why I have taken two unequal sized triangle. So in this triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we are given that their corresponding angles are equal. Since this theorem is angle, angle, angle criteria, so angles are equal, this we are given. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, we are given. Corresponding angles are equal. We have to prove that their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay. Now here, as in these two triangles we don't have sufficient hints, so we will do some construction. And the construction we will do on the larger triangle, that is on DEF. So in this triangle DEF, we will take 2 points on DE and DF. Let it be P and Q. Take P and Q 2 points on DE and DF such that DP is equal to AB, DP is equal to AB, and DQ is equal to AC. Further, join PQ. Let us join this PQ also. Join PQ. Now we will prove it. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, ABC and DPQ. AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ, both by construction. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. Also, this angle A is equal to angle D. This we are given. We are given that both the triangles have their corresponding angles equal. This implies that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SAS. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q, right? Angle B is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle Q, both by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But here angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F we are given, right? And we are saying that angle B is equal to P also and angle C is equal to Q also by CPCT. That means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle, right? Angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. This we are given. So using these two, angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. So if you look at this figure, if angle P is equal to angle E, they are corresponding angles. Angle Q is equal to angle F, they are also corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal only if the sides are parallel, right? That implies PQ is parallel to EF. Okay? That implies by BPT, if this line is parallel to this side, then ratio of the sides are equal. dP upon PE is equal to dQ upon QF. dP upon PE is equal to dQ upon QF. Now, in this part, PE and QF are not required to prove the ratio of the corresponding sides. So we will invert this ratio, as I told you earlier also, whatever the part we don't want in the relation should be in numerator, because the ratio which remains in numerator, by applying componendo, that part is finished. That part does not remain in the ratio. So here I will apply invertendo, and by applying invertendo, it inverts PE upon dP is equal to QF upon dQ. Okay. Now let's apply here by componendo, in which we add one both sides. So PE upon dP plus 1 is equal to QF upon dq plus 1. This implies that PE plus dP upon dP is equal to QF plus dQ upon dQ. Now you can see here PE plus dP becomes DE and QF plus dQ becomes DF. Therefore, PE plus dP, which is equal to DE upon dP, is equal to QF plus dQ is equal to DF upon dQ. That implies, one more time we will apply here invertendo. Now children, you have to keep here one thing in mind, that whenever we apply invertendo to convert the ratio in our required desired part, the ratio which we have inverted, we have to re-invert to use it in the original form. So in majority of cases you will find that the invertendo should be applied for 2 times. Okay, so here if we apply the invertendo, it becomes dP upon dE is equal to dQ upon dF. Now children, here by construction we had taken dP is equal to AB and dQ is equal to AC. So in this relation which we have got, dP will be replaced by AB and dQ will be replaced by AC. That implies AB upon DE, AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, which we have taken by construction. So we have proved that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. Similarly, it can be also proved that BC upon EF. Similarly, we can show that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. That means in these 2 triangles, we were given their corresponding angles are equal, and we have proved that their corresponding sides are proportional. And that's why the 2 triangles ABC and triangle DEF are similar. Hence, proved.